could come out of that train. Hey, kid, trains are dangerous. You're not supposed to be playing on trains, kid. What if you got ran over? You'd be squashed and cut into pieces. Oh my gosh, they're gonna call ROC with you hopping on their train as soon as this train's ready to pull. Oh my, hey, are you making fun of the conductor or the engineer or both? Oh, he's climbing on top of the train. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's gonna give them all a headache on the inside. He's beating on the cab. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. This kid reminds me of a young boxcar Willie. But we'll call him a locomotive Willie. Oh man. Oh, locomotive Slater. Oh, hey, you making fun of all the people as the train's going down the street? Hey, are you sticking your tongue out at all the people? Hey, are you calling all the people losers? Huh? Oh, everybody's gonna be mad at you. Oh man, you stuck your tongue out at the crew again? Oh, you took over the train. I just noticed this train's not moving. You better throw some coal in the fire. You shovel some coal in there, and we'll get this thing moving. I don't think you're gonna be able to push a locomotive. Those things weigh tens of thousands of pounds. Look, there's another train right there. Hey, come back here. You can't outrun that train. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was our tour of the train at the park. And we'll see you later.